Hey, what's up? My name is Suleiman and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about Luckin Coffee. In this video, I'm going to be talking about why Luckin Coffee stock dropped 80%. First, let's talk about what Luckin Coffee does. Luckin Coffee is a company based in China. It has a huge coffee chain of over 3,000 stores. It's very similar to Starbucks and it's very popular in China. Initially, Luckin Coffee started out as more of a technology based that sells coffee. Customers would order online, and you could either pick up from the store and go, or Luckin Coffee would deliver it to you. The difference with Luckin Coffee and Starbucks is you don't have that same feeling when you go into a Starbucks and you can just sit and lounge out over there. Luckin Coffee stores, you just go in, pick up the coffee, and it's just go. Recently, they started adding stores where you can actually sit inside and have a nice cup of coffee while sitting inside the store. So, what was the big news that caused Luckin Coffee stock to drop more than 80% since its initial public offering? Well, news came out yesterday that Luckin Coffee was fabricating some of its sales in the second quarter of 2019. The sales were over $200 million, and this literally has caused investors to just sell all of their stock. There is some investigation that's going to be taking place that's going to be checking all of their other financials, but one of the things to look at is, what if they were having some fraudulent activity in some of their other quarters? It's possible that maybe in quarter one, quarter three, or quarter four, they also had some fake sales, because this company has been really growing substantially well over the past few years. I first heard about the company Luckin Coffee on Motley Fool. I don't know if you know Motley Fool, but it's a website where they offer financial advice mostly on stocks. And I'm actually subscribed to one of their services called Stock Advisor, where they recommend stock picks. And I have actually read a few times where they recommended Luckin Coffee as a stock, and I did my own research on Luckin Coffee, and as soon as I saw that Luckin Coffee is based in China, I just it wasn't for me. In my opinion, companies that are based in other countries like China are very risky because they're not regulated very well. And this is one of the reasons why when Motley Fool recommended to me to buy Luckin Coffee, I just took it right off my list. Over the past few years, there has been a lot of new companies that had their IPOs that were based in China. And there's been a lot of companies actually that had problems with them financially or otherwise, a lot of scandals. I don't know if you ever seen the movie called, I think it was called China Hustle, where it actually shows investors trying to invest in Chinese companies only to find out that a lot of the information that they were providing was fake. Now that this information has come out on Luckin Coffee, this actually provides a good opportunity for Starbucks. Starbucks actually has been growing vastly in China. They have a couple of thousand stores over there too now. So this may be a really good buying opportunity for Starbucks stock. And yesterday their stock actually went up 4% just because of this news. It will be really interesting to see how this plays out between Starbucks and Luckin Coffee from here on out. If Starbucks can outlast Luckin Coffee, it will be really beneficial to them. Well, that's my video. Thank you for watching, and like the video if you can.